Welcome to Ombria Algarve, tucked away in the rolling hills of southern Portugal. This isn't your typical coastal Algarve stay. It's peaceful, refined, and completely immersed in nature. This resort feels more like a little Portuguese village than a hotel. There are about 141 rooms and suites, all with terraces, balconies, or even private little plunge pools. There are 4 different outdoor pools, a family one, a lap pool, a clubhouse pool, and a quieter adults only pool. So you've always got the right spot depending on your mood. Now we've just made it to Ombria, which is Portugal's, the Algarve's newest golf course resort. Beautiful pool up here, the villas surrounding it, and just through here, you can see the lovely golf course behind me, surrounded by nature. It's really, really nice up here because you've driven for about half an hour from Vilamora, and it's all countryside, old traditional roads, and then really nothing going on. And then this place pops out in the middle of nowhere on a big hill. There are 6 restaurants and bars over the resort, from casual pool bites to proper local Portuguese dishes with ingredients grown right here. There's even a curated boutique on site, perfect for a little holiday browse between pool dips. So the lockers are all downstairs underneath the clubhouse. You will also find showers, steam rooms, saunas, and the clubhouse pool. Somewhere to refresh, relax after your round or before. I didn't go in this time, but look at that. The view is amazing. An infinity pool over the golf course. Then here's my lunch, some local delicacies before I head out and play 18 holes. Now, let's talk about why golfers really come here. This is the Ombria Golf Course, an 18-hole championship course designed by Jorge Santana da Silva. And it's designed to blend seamlessly into the natural landscape, not overpower it. Set across a valley with winding streams and ancient cork trees, every hole feels completely quiet. Just made it up to the 4th tee. Look at this. The clubhouse, the hotel resort, all the way over there in the distance. It was a bit of a trek to get up here, really at the top of the mountains, you would say, up here. Really high up. It's a short par 3 from my tee box, which is down there. It's lovely views, wind coming off the right here. Yeah, really magical up here. Really great spot, really unique because olive trees all around you. It's a really special spot.